So I'm making coffee. It's an espresso. So I already have a ground coffee here. There's a ground coffee here. And there's water already. Now I'm going to insert it. And so is this. So don't use this handle to screw, but use the whole body to lock. There you go. And then let's put this in on stove. And let's wait until mukulo-kulo na nino. Right now it's empty. And let's watch this one when it starts brewing. And since I just woke up, I have so many dry atoms here. Dry matter. No. No place I'd rather be. In this coffee, we don't use this coffee anymore. Look at our coffee no more. Keurig. And we use alkaline water so that there's not much of leaky whatever that is. So alkaline water, when you use alkaline water, is so much nice because it doesn't create so much of the that cold thing. When you have a line of water right here, there's not much line. See, that's chlorine. So when we use water from the faucet, and then it builds up a lot of chlorine right there. So our machine doesn't create so much of chlorine in there. So we use alkaline water for coffee. This is espresso. It takes a little while to brew, but it's worth it. It's good flavor rather than French press. French press has a lot of chichiburichi. There's so much filters in here, rings, and when you clean it, it takes a little hassle. French press, and we don't use that French press so much. What's going on with my face? And I use Hawaiian bread, and then I'll toast it because this is my breakfast. I have toasted bread during breakfast and coffee. So let's turn it on, and we have a timer. Now it's 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And my espresso. Boy, it's right here now. Takes a lot. Okay, let's close it and let's turn it off. And here's my coffee. So let's pour the coffee. Make sure that you take off the lid and pour it. See? That's it. And don't touch it. And I drink coffee after 1 hour of prior waking up, because I drink water first, and then I let it sit in my stomach for empty stomach for at least 1 hour after when you wake up, and then start your routine. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. So which place would you rather be? Right here in your heart. So bon appetit. Here's my coffee. Cheers. Ooh, hot. Bye.